What's happening everyone, my name is Adrian and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we get started with today's video, I just want to take some time and thank everyone once more for helping me get to 100 subscribers. It's been a fun journey, learnt lots and lots, done so many videos, and I look forward to getting out more amazing content to you guys. Cool, that's that done. So today I'll be showing you all how to change the air filter units on your Mark 6 Golf R. It's a bit different from a usual air filter replacement. Why would you want to do an air filter replacement on your car? Well, it's actually, a service part on your car, which is part of the servicing schedule on your vehicle. So it's actually very easy to do on most vehicles, but on the Mark 6 Golf R it's a bit more trickier as it's a part hidden inside your engine cover. Cool, I'm gonna get started, so follow me. Alright, to start off with, let's remove this engine cover by loosening up this hose first, unclip this massive airflow sensor, loosen up that hose here, and then unclip these two bits here. For the airflow sensor, I basically used a flathead screwdriver just to ping it off. Basically, so once you have this engine cover removed, you do require some tools to be able to reach the air filter. So it was I can't remember the exact sizing, I apologize for that. So you do require a relatively large-ish kind of size Phillips or crosshead screwdriver that will remove majority of the screws to remove the casing for the air filter. The screws themselves don't completely come out, they do stay locked inside the housing, so that which is great because then prevents you from losing them. In regards to the heat shield, you do need to remove the heat shield to be able to remove the cover for the air filter as well. So in regards to the heat shield, I believe it was maybe a T10 or T12, maybe a bit larger Torx bit for the screws for the heat shield. Once you have your new air filter fitted, just basically do what we've just done in reverse to put everything back together. Good luck with that. So that's it. Air filter replacement on a Mark 6 Golf R. Also showed you how to safely remove the engine cover from the car. How did you find it? Hope the guide was easy to follow for you all. Some of you may have noticed the air filter I replaced in the car is not the original air filter. I have replaced it with a third-party performance air filter panel. But basically because the original one, it's basically like a paper filter. It does restrict the airflow in the car. With a third-party performance one, it's almost like a sponge, and it does allow much better airflow in the car. You're supposedly going to get a bit more performance from the car itself. But, you know, in terms of like improving the performance of the car without having to do a few other mods, and also marrying that all together with a sort of like remap of the vehicle, you're not going to really get the best use of that extra power that's all these third-party mods are going to add to the car. So, you know, as well as an air filter, adding a few other bits to the car will boost a lot more horsepower. But like I said, just, you know, by marrying that all together with a good remap on the car as well, that's going to put all those third-party parts to its best possible use. But anyways, that will be it for this week. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and make sure, if you are enjoying the video, to subscribe and like my content. So basically that's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you are enjoying the content, please make sure you subscribe to my videos and also hit the like button. That's it for this week. Take care, love you lots, see you next time.